Today in the livestock market, cattle was a little bit lower. Those export sales were on the decline somewhat. Higher prices may be the cause. Higher prices are usually the cure for higher prices, and the market did pull back some. Cash trade last week was down. There just wasn't much to keep the market up, even with the grain market down as much as it was. Futures gave back all of Friday's gains, but we're still remaining near the highs. That we were down $2 today. We got down to 183.80 with CBOL at 12.7%. Feeders were also lower. I think packers are just slow to purchase more supplies, which we thought were short bought because we had that short week last week, in spite of the fact that box prices were increased somewhat today. There just isn't much doing with traders stepping up to make any buys on the futures. The tight supplies are really expected to stay for the rest of the year, but it seems that even with the corn lower, I thought that might have a little bit more bullish support on the market. It just quite didn't happen today. All the prices on the beef side have been high for a long time, and maybe it just seems to be a little bit difficult to sustain at this time. The futures did get below that 260 mark. We got down to 258.525 with the CVOL at 12.4%. Hogs today were the ones that were firm. Export sales did hit a marketing year high, but it really didn't bring in all that much buying. So the market still stays in this sideways channels we had. We had about a modest $1.25 range. Deferreds were slightly lower today, but they're holding on to the gains that they made off the bottom. It seems that if nothing else, it's at least building a little bit of support around that that $90 mark. So CVOL in the lean hog market is at 26.3%.